Over the last few years, millions of euros have been invested in serialization to ensure compliance with various global regulatory mandates. This is a sunk cost for a pharma company. But imagine if you could deliver a return on investment. Today, there is no way of achieving individual identification of containers. If a problem occurs in a process step, pharma manufacturers are not able to define exactly which products may have been impacted, so they adopt either over-segregation or full batch write-off policies. This results in lost or missed revenue. However, with individually marked containers, you can get valuable insight into the manufacturing process with clearly defined data and timestamps. This can be achieved with Stevanato Group Track and Trace solution. How does it work? We mark each primary container with a unique identity, as unique as a person's fingerprints. All glass syringes, cartridges, and vials are printed with a unique machine-readable 2D barcode. This unique serial number is associated to specific manufacturing data, allowing pharma companies to track the container at each manufacturing process step. Primary serialization can deliver unique benefits within your business and enable you to improve traceability and operational efficiency. Learn more and discover how on our website. Stevanato Group. Integrated solutions for pharma and healthcare.